Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up accessibility shortcut on Xiaomi A2 TV. To do it, click on Set button on your remote, then go to Device Preferences, then go to Accessibility, and now you can go to Accessibility shortcut. Then you can enable it and change the shortcut service to either TalkBack or Switch Access. And now when it's set, just press and hold on both back and down button on your remote. This is the back button here, and here is the down button. So press on them at once for 3 seconds. But first you need to exit settings, so let's do that. Now let's press on these 2 buttons. Then first you need to turn on. And now you need to do it again. And now TalkBack is on.
DVD Plus in list. Netflix. Prime Video. Live TV. YouTube. Live TV.
And to disable it, do the same.
TalkBack off.
And TalkBack or Switch Access is off. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.